Hi, happy Sunday everyone. We are at the dog park here in Fort Worth. So I want to show you around how nice and beautiful this dog park. So yeah, look at the sky. Sky blue. Sky. Look at the green trees. It's very nice and it's very peaceful, and of course it's very relaxing. So yeah, ang aking Coco ay takbo ng takbo na walang kapaguran. Naka 15 minutes na siyang takbo ng takbo at parang super hyper at excited pa rin siya. So ayan, okay, oh yan, napagod na siya. So umupo, nagpahinga at hiningal. Yan ang aking Coco. See? Oh. Diba? Pagod na siya. Yan. So, dito ang park ng mga maliliit na aso. Itong maliliit na aso. At sa kabila naman ay doon sa kabilang banda ay malalaking aso. Ayan, ini-enjoy lang namin dito sa park, dog park, dahil gusto rin naming mag-unwind ang aming alaga, kasi parang sa mga tao rin lang yan. Tayo kailangan din natin ng break, kailangan natin mag-unwind after 5 days work of the week. So ganun din ang ating mga alaga, kailangan natin ilabas para makapag-unwind din sila. So dito kami, diba, ang ganda ng hangin, masarap sa balat ng simoy niya, kaya ayan, lakad-lakad lang hanggang sa mapagod, and then after that pwede na kami umuwi, kasi yung 15 to 20 minutes na nagtakbo-takbo itong si Coco ay malaking bagay na yon para sa kanya, para hindi naman siya maburyong sa bahay, kasi nga lagi namin siyang iniiwanan sa pagkat kami ay nagtatrabaho mag-asawa. So ayan mga best friend, aalis na po kami dito sa park, kasi nga may gagawin pa kaming ibang errands like car washing, at saka magsisimba rin po kami. Kaya bye mga best friend, please.
Sorry about that guy. I don't know why he went off.
I know, right? It's just like he's entitled to scold people with because the dogs run out.
It's fine. I'm sorry.
I know. It's really hurt my feelings also. It's just like, come on, this is a dog park.
Yeah, I think his wife was talking to him, and that's why they laughed right away. But I was like,
I
a little
know.
aggressive for a dog park.
It's
Dogs
normal.
barking
They're all excited, right? Yeah.
Calm down.
It's okay. It takes a while for me to calm down myself also, because I am ready to explode too, you know. So it's okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You're good. Thank you, Dal.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye. Come. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, mga best friend. Bye. Thank you for watching. At saka follow for more. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para naman po lagi kayong updated sa aking susunod na videos. God bless you all. Bye-bye.